D. Why there are so many popsicle sticks lying around?
Yeah, I'm starting to clean. There are so many.
Shall we do something about it since all the team members are here today?
Let's try making something. Guys, we have so many popsicle sticks lying around. We should think of doing something.
Let's see what we can do with these popsicle sticks. Jesse, do you think we can do something epic?
Okay, I'll give you something. How about a giant popsicle stick bomb?
That would be great, right?
That's a cool idea. We have so many lying around.
Okay, let's do it.
I really hope we can make the larger version.
I hope so too. But we need to do it in a safe and spacious area.
First, we take two popsicle sticks, 1 and 2, and make an X out of it. Then, we take the third popsicle stick and put it under the first one and over the second popsicle stick. Then, we take the fourth popsicle stick, put it under the first popsicle stick and over the third one. So here you can make sure by checking if popsicle stick number 2 and number 4 are in parallel. Then you take the fifth popsicle stick, put it over the second one and under the fourth popsicle stick. And then we repeat this process until we run out of popsicle sticks. So we finally did the small scale one. It was like when you stretch a rubber band and you release it.
Yes, you are right. So what we are really doing is, by building this structure, we are storing potential energy. And what happens when we release the trigger? It releases all the potential energy, and that potential energy converts into kinetic energy. And that's what creates this explosion.
So guys, can we scale it up?